Namaste. I welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School at Chimti Township, Pinjore. Today is 14th May 2021. First of all, I would like to invite our worthy principal sir to give his blessings on the eve of Akshaya Tritiya, Parshuram Jayanti and Eid. Namaste, sir.
Namaste. Hope all of you must be with the best of health and happiness at your homes. Today, I'm here to wish you a lot many things. One, we are celebrating Akshaya Tritiya, Parshuram Jayanti, Sankranti, and also Eid ul Fitr. Beside this, you are starting with your periodic tests also, so that is also a big day for you. We celebrate Akshaya Tritiya in Vishak Mas, Krishna Paksh, on the third Tithi. That's why it is called Akshaya Tritiya. It is said that on this day, anything good, if done, is really very fruitful. Especially giving donations and doing some good deed is really worth. And you can start your work today, any work, without getting any Muhurat. So it happens to be a very auspicious day. And on this day, Bhagwan Vishnu's sixth avatar, Parshuramji, was born. That's why today we are celebrating Parshuram Janmotsav also. And it is a big day, especially for the Brahmins, because it is said that it is only Parshuram who is Brahmin god. Beside this, after 30 days of holy month, the Muslims who keep rosas, today it is Eid ul Fitr, a great day, a day which every Muslim celebrates in a very big way. On this day, Muslims read namaz and they pray to Allah for the well-being of all. May the light of the moon falls directly on you, and may Allah bless you with everything you desire today. Eid Mubarak. May Allah bless with kindness, patience and love. Especially in this time, the COVID time, the duaएं and prayers are very much required for the well-being of the whole humanity. So today, I wish each of one should pray for the well-being of all, and may all the festivals which are being celebrated gives a lot of vigor and lot of energy to fight against this COVID times. Let us be mentally and physically strong and come out with flying colors in the coming times. Today, I wish you again for your periodic test. Let your test be very comfortable, very relaxed. It is just to assess yourself how much you have understood. Anywhere, if you lag, do prepare yourself for the coming times. Wish you all the best. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your words of wisdom with us. Now, I would like to invite Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2077, शक संवत 1943, आज वैशाख माह के शुक्ल पक्ष की द्वितीया एवं तृतीया तिथि है, अर्थात आज अक्षय तृतीया है। अक्षय तृतीया का दिन किया गया कोई भी कार्य निष्फल नहीं जाता। आज का नक्षत्र रोहिणी, अर्थात आज रोहिणी योग भी है, जिसे हम सोने पर सुहागा भी कह सकते हैं। आज का योग सुकर्मा। प्रविष्टे की यदि बात करें तो आज ज्येष्ठ माह के प्रथम प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं, अर्थात आज ज्येष्ठ मास की संक्रांति है। मुस्लिम माह शव्वाल भी आज ही आरंभ हो रहा है, अर्थात आज ईद उल फितर का त्यौहार भी है। इन सभी त्योहारों की शुभकामनाएं एवं विस्तृत जानकारी आपको प्रधानाचार्य महोदय जी द्वारा दी गई है। एक बार फिर से आप सभी को अक्षय तृतीया, श्री परशुराम जन्मोत्सव, ईद उल फितर एवं संक्रांति की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I would request all of you to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
All classes be ready for prayer.
जयतु विवेकानंद योगेवर योगाचार्य यतिराज। जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय 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 महाराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। तमनाशत जड़ चित जगावत चेतन सकल समाज। तमनाशत जड़ चित जगावत चेतन सकल समाज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल 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 त्रिभुवन के सरताज मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल त्रिभुवन के सरताज सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु चित में करो विराज जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज
अस्तो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Now it's time to hear a motivational story. Today's story will be presented by Mr. Praveen Kumar, father of Priyansh Kumar of class 6th A. The title of the story is Gold Goes into the Farm. Let's hear the story. Namaste, sir.
Namaste to all. My name is Praveen Kumar. I am Priyansh's father who studies in 6th A in this school. Dear children, today I am going to present a story from Panchtantra in front of you and I hope you will enjoy it. The title of the story is Gold Grows in the Farm. So let's start the story. Once there was a time, there were many families living in one village. In them a very lazy man lived in his family with his wife. His wife was a sensual woman. Once the woman told her lazy husband that growing chickpeas would bring gold. When the time came, the man saw only chickpeas plants coming out, but there was no gold. He went to his wife and said to her, "Dear, you said that gold would come, but it's only chickpeas." Then the wife said, "This time I'll give you wheat to grow. Then for sure gold will grow." The man agreed and went and sowed wheat in the field. When the time came, there was a golden harvest of the wheat everywhere. The man went to his wife and said, "You again fooled me, dear. There is no gold, but only the wheat." Actually, the wife wanted to teach her husband a lesson since he was a lazy man. She said to him, "The wheat that you see is the gold. See the color. It is so beautiful. Don't they look like gold?" Dear kids, the moral of this story is you should not be lazy. Always work hard and definitely you will be rewarded. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir, for sharing such an inspirational story with us. Now, I would like to invite Stakshi Sharma of class 7th A to share a new word with us. Namaste, Stakshi.
Namaste, I am Stakshi Sharma from class 7th A. Today I am going to present you the word of the day. Word of the day is conspicuous. Its meaning is something which is special or noticeable. Its synonym is outstanding, remarkable. Its antonym is unseen, hidden. Example sentence is my friend has a conspicuous personality which makes him different from others. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Stakshi. Now it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Shrishti Sharma of class plus 2 commerce, Satyam of class 5th A, and Saurav of class 5th B. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and parents all are giving their blessings to you. Once again, I wish you a very happy birthday. At the end, I wish all the students best of luck for their first assessment and PT exam. That's it in today's assembly. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Namaste.